Hey guys, it's Vance here, and today I'm going to be reacting to Annoying Orange, how to use a fidget spinner. And before I react to this, I want to give a shout out to Abraham Folks. He reacts to a lot of videos. Just like me. And just a shout out of the way. Let's play this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Howdy doody, howdy tooties! Orange and Bear here to blow your minds with a new episode of How To.
But we won't be blowing anyone's mind with the help of TNT. What do you say we find out what this week's prompt is?
Okay.
How to use a fidget spinner?
Woohoo! Loving this episode already.
He has the green one. I have the blue one.
That's because you're out of touch, Bear. Fidget spinners are the coolest.
Huh. Well, I guess I'll learn something new today. Take it away, Orange.
All right, step 1. Pick up your fidget spinner.
Seems simple enough so far.
Step 2. Fidget with your fidget spinner.
Okay. Please tell me this is going somewhere.
What do you mean?
I mean, there's like a point to it, right? Like it gets more complicated.
Oh, sure.
And I know what it does.
Oh, okay, good.
Step 3. Fidget with your fidget spinner in a different way.
That's just the same step as before.
It's totally different fidgeting this time.
Fidgeting.
But it looks like he's doing this.
Are you seriously getting snobby about fidgeting, dude? There is no right or wrong way to fidget.
Okay, relax. Maybe step 4 will help you understand.
It better.
All right, step 4. Fidget with your fidget spinner in yet a different...
Orange! These fidget spinners have to be the dumbest thing I've ever heard of.
Yeah, then how come I look so cool doing it?
I'm sorry. You think you look cool right now?
Well, I don't have hands, so I have to use my tongue. I can't help it. Not my fault.
I think it's safe to say this video is over.
No way, Bear. You haven't even fidgeted yet. Stick out your tongue.
No, I'm not fidgeting with anything.
Come on. Don't move on the party, Bear.
No, I'm not spinning one of those on my tongue.
Well, I guess you're just going to have to use your stem then.
Alright, hey, Stum.
Crap! Get this thing off of me! Flying out of control! No, not the TNT!
Ah, really? Okay, that was weird. Okay. So anyway, that was like very well, some of it sound pretty cool, but it's just that sometimes it's just sometimes like some of it sound pretty scary, like when you're using a fidget spinner as a helicopter. And sorry guys. And sadly, we have just ran out of time in this video here. If you guys love this video, please subscribe. Bye guys.